many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined.
Tried it. Right here, next to me. James. Fucking hell, what the fuck is this shit? Put diesel in. I haven't got any money.
Huh?
I haven't got money. Fuck off. What the fuck? Just put these $5 in it. I'll put a $5 in then. I'll put you $5 in. I'm not that broke. I just want to eat tomorrow. I'll starve myself. Ask the nice lady right. Nah, put no more standard, you can't afford that. No more diesel. He's gonna make you take your helmet off. Oh no, he's not. Alright, 2 quid, 2 quid, 2 quid. Bro, the minimum's 2 litres anyway. Are you serious? You fucking had fuel and you're like, oh, I'm running up fuel. You only put 4 litres in as well. Oh, that's enough. Oi, bastard. Have you got a 5 or not? Do I have to go pay for you?
No, I got service. I got service.
Huh? Okay. Watch how scared he's gonna get.